stronger. Logan princess, bold and stronger.
Lately,
Princess, bold and stronger.
Lately, you've been trying to hold on, but it's hard cause you ain't even that strong. You walk around like everything is perfect, and the dude that you with ain't even worth it. It's best if you set him aside, figure out what's best in your life, instead of having everyone see you cry. You can see the makeup running down your cheeks, no more tissue, so you clean the makeup off with your sheets. And your parents always ask what's wrong, and you say nothing, so please listen to this song. I know how men are. I was in that position where I would see my dad steady pimping. Every night he would come home with different bitches. And I say bitches cause a real woman knows where she stands. She will never let her guard down just for any man, but a player knows how to play. Fought for their actions and not for what they say. They say that love is misery, but the misery of love is so unexplainable. We willing to stay with the ones that drive us crazy though. Day by day we try to work it out, but with all the arguments there's nothing left for doubts. We're left asking where did all the happiness go? You ain't the person that I used to know, but don't ever blame yourself on why love didn't grow. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, and this is exactly why I'll never be like my father.